Hey everyone, Vision here, and today I'm going to make a tutorial for Clickteam Fusion 2.5, and it's going to be about footprints, like tracking liquid footprints and permanent ones like snow or sand if you want it like that. And you're going to need three active objects: the player, which has an 8 directions movement, just a basic one just to show this off. Water or any other thing you want, blood or anything like that, and the actual footprints, which actually needs the 8 directions here as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make a new condition. Player collides with another object, the water. Now in special conditions you're going to want to, well, first off you're going to need to make a group of events, and we're going to call that footprints. And you want to uncheck the active when frame starts. So you'll come to special conditions here, group of events, and activate the footprints when you collide with the water. Now with this condition in here, the first one is player is overlapping another object, the water, and you want to negate that just so it doesn't make the footprints when you're on the water itself. You're going to insert when player animation, which animation is playing walking. Insert again. Every, let's just say 25 milliseconds, and insert a last time. Footprints, pick or count, compare number of footprints. So lower to, let's say, 7. This number is interchangeable. This is just how long you want the footprints to happen after you step off the water. And if you want them permanently, you just don't add this. Okay. So you want to come to create an object, footprints, relative to your character. You have to go to options and orientation in direction of player. And the next thing is another new condition. Player collides with another object, the water. I'm going to go to animation for the footprints and paste into background, not as an optical, and then destroy. So this is just will speed up your game a little bit, because if you have all these permanent footprints, you don't want them all as active objects. So when you hit the water again, it'll destroy them all and paste them all as backdrops. So let's run frame. None here. So I hit the water, step off of it, and you start tracking footprints. You could also, instead of having them permanently and being destroyed, you could make like an animation to have them like kind of fade away after a while. But that's pretty much it. Simple as that. Alright, so I don't know if I'll probably try to make some more tutorials, like simple things like this. Not a lot of like big game mechanic tutorials, but more like aesthetic things, just to make your guys' games like a little bit better. I know a lot of people oversee a lot of like the little things that you can make, just things in the background that the player doesn't really notice, but it adds to the aesthetic of the game. I like doing stuff like that. So if you guys want to see more of this stuff, then just comment and like on the video. Thanks.